Stop killing your Samsung battery while gaming and stop letting phone lags, freeze, or overheat. Today, I'm gonna show you a powerful hidden feature that almost no one knows about, and it can change your gaming experience instantly. When you play a game on your Samsung phone, the device uses a lot of power. This makes the battery hot, your phones slow down, and the battery health become weaker over time. But Samsung has a feature that many people never use. This feature stops the phone from using the battery during game and let the phone take power directly from the charger. Here is how to turn it on. While you are inside the game, pull down the notification panel. You will see the game booster. Tap it, scroll down, and you will see the option it's turned on. Pause USB PD charging when gaming. This icon is turned off by default. To activate it, you need two steps. You must be battery about 20%, 40-45 is a perfect. Number 2, use the original 25 fast charger of the Samsung. Anything lower will not be activate this feature. When you plug the charger into the wall and connect it to your phone, this option became active. Turn it on. After that, your phone will not use the battery during gaming. It will take power directly from the charger. This reduces heat, gives smoother performance, and protect your battery health over time. For more Samsung tricks, you can watch this video. If you watch this video, just like it, subscribe to Learnotime.